Okay, man, it's finally here. Finally here.
It's real. It counts.
The NFL season's about to start. Seahawks and the Panthers, and yet I find myself oddly concerned while you find yourself oddly at peace.
We've switched roles here, and it's not comfortable for anybody.
Well, let me ask you now, the latest news going into the game on Sunday is really casting doubt on the status of Brandon Browner. In fact,
Right.
John Clayton, who we had on with us Friday, said he didn't expect to see Browner playing. What kind of a blow is that to the defense?
I think we've talked about this position amongst all of them being the deepest, right? But
Yep.
linebacker, offensive line doesn't matter. We talked about how deep this secondary is, whether it's Walter Thurman or Byron Maxwell or Jeremy Lane. They seem to have an answer. Is it going to be somebody who's as big and physical? Well, no. But we've seen this team win without Brandon Browner. We saw it with the suspension last year, and we've seen what Walter Thurman can do when he's healthy, and it's been impressive. And you sort of see why they had him pegged as a starter before the injuries, before Sherman was ever in there and before Browner was in there. This was a guy who was supposed to start opposite Marcus Trufant. So I just think it's so deep, and I don't want to say I don't respect, but I'm not fearful of that receiving core for the Carolina
Right.
Panthers. You've got a Steve Smith who's a year older. They shut him down last year, and they've got LaFell on the other side, who I'm not that threatened by. And I just think they can get away with it in this game, whether it's Thurman or Maxwell, whoever they put on that other side opposite Sherman. I feel good about it.
Clayton made a good point too about Thurman, where they A, liked him as a starter to begin with, and B, with Browner in the last year of his contract anyway, might be a guy they're thinking about being a starter in the future. So, all right, you've actually helped. I feel a little bit better now.
Pause, Bob.